Currently at the store getting supplies for the biggest update that I'm doing to the van currently. What could it be? Jisel in her natural habitat. So much money spent.
Yes, so we spend a lot of time and money.
Jisel is helping me with my project, and here we are deciding on expensive wood, but it will be worth it. Curious if they all look. Oh shit! Don't. These are them. Alright guys, we are in the middle of it here. As you can clearly see, it is the upper cabinet doors that are getting a refresh in here. It's a big undertaking, but we're getting it done. Taking all the doors off and replacing hinges, replacing brand new doors. It's gonna be done right. And then the upper cabinets in general are gonna be leveled out a little bit better and more secure, doing 3 doors instead of 6. And so, gonna just give it a big facelift. It's gonna change the whole van, make it look cleaner, and won't have to deal with all these hinges breaking. So your hardware, never skimp on the hardware, and make sure you have the right everything.
Where the pieces are together, it's not square. I put my square to this and see how it dramatically changes.
Yep.
You always got to make sure you start with the square side.
Make it square first.
Yeah, make it square first. This is the top down here for where the hinges are going to go. And if you look, this one's got more stuff, so that's going to be underneath so you don't see it. So you look at your piece that you have and go like, all right, what's the best way? What's going to be the thing to look at? And yeah, there's a bunch of little, and tag everything. Tag everything.
The master at work. Gold.
So there you go.
I need a t-shirt for you that says no false squares.
True squares only.
Okay guys, it is the next day, the next morning, and as you can see, all of the hardware is off. There are all the struts that'll be repurposed for the next ones that we put up. We didn't get as far last night, but we just kind of kept working. Cabinet doors have been sanded. They're cut to length, but we're gonna wait because she's gonna help me kind of fix up and see where these need to end up before we cut them to width, you know, because they actually stick down a little bit further because they don't have handles. So that way I don't need handles on them, and I can just, yeah, there's a little bit of an overlay, I think like 1/2 inch or something like that, or 1/4 inch past. And try to straighten this whole thing out too. As you can see, it's kind of sagging. It's just, this has happened over the course of the year of living out of this, so. Alright guys, we are back. It has been a full day of boxing and watching Mark's daughter, Michaela Mayer, fight. And unfortunately, it was not the outcome any of us wanted or expected or what should have happened. Anyway, we're not going to get into that. We are back, and it's time to see how these are going to fit. It's going to be better no matter what. I think it's going to make a huge difference. We're going to get the doors hung tonight, so. Alright guys. First door's going up. This is the best piece, this is the straightest piece, and we're gonna put this one right here. So this is a trial to see just how it all hangs.
This side, hold it up. I know we're gonna hit that. Let me see.
morning, and we have one cabinet door to go. It happens to be a different type of wood. It'll be plywood because that other one warped, unfortunately. Let me show you what that looks like. So yeah, it was warped, and but we're gonna get this last one up. We're painting it right now, and then we'll get into the struts and hardware, the struts of it, so that it stays open. Yeah, let's go paint that last door. Watch Jisel, watch the master work. She pretty much taught me all the cabinetry for the van. So this is what happened. The warpage is for real. At least it was just the one, you know. It could have been all of them.
That's true.
You know. Guys, we are getting this completely redone here. So this is what it looks like behind these cabinets. These just come out. It's a little behind the scenes look at how things are done with these upper cabinets. I don't remember how much I showed. I don't think I showed any of this actually. So yeah, we're just.
Oh yeah. Take a look at this now. Probably 3.5 now. That's awesome. That's how much more it went up. Been 15-pound test.
Dude, if the whole...
It's only rated to 115. Anything above that, always test it with at least my weight. Good enough. You saw that, right?
I did. It's supporting it.
It's actually 4 screws holding it right now. So
the 2 on there. Still need to put the struts on, put that stuff back in, but look at this clean gap, and just look already how much nicer that looks. There'll just be one more back here, but what an improvement. It's only primed right now, but it was black primer. It looks pretty good. Here's what I have the remainder of this paint, satin. We're gonna do this next time, but right now it's not bad just with the primer. I knew this was gonna be such an improvement to the van. These upper cabinets have been kind of trouble from the beginning, and so this is just kind of like fine-tuning them, if you will, and just such a huge facelift, if you will, to the interior of the van. So that was why I knew this was such a priority to do while I'm here with the right people to help me with it. So yeah, everything up.
Yep. And you have your spacer here that you hold it up or down.
All right, guys, it is a few days later, and the only thing that is going to need fixed right now is these struts are not holding it up anymore. So I'm gonna have to swap those out with the others. But other than that, they are working so well, and just look how much nicer they look. I mean, compared to what they were, it's just so nice having just the 3 instead of the 6. It's so much cleaner looking. Everything's more uniform. And anyway, I'm just happy that I had the help from Jisel. It's been a fun little project, but it's made such a huge difference to the van. Just like this one change, but what a big difference it's made. So, and there's Sammy boy. Sam's right here. The van, you know, there's always going to be different projects and, you know, improvements to the van. I have a few other little projects I'm going to be working on, and I'm going to try to show as much as I can. I definitely said this previously, but like things are always going to need updated. Can always use a refresh. If you live in a van full time, stuff is going to break, stuff is going to get scuffed, and that's okay. I've learned that some of that wear and tear is actually a good thing, and it shows like it shows its life. So my thing is like I want to enjoy the van, so things are going to wear, but this fix has been awesome, and I'm excited that it looks that much better, just because it's, you know, it's my home, and they are my main storage in the van, so glad we got these updated. Hope you enjoyed watching the little process of me and Jisel crafting these. Huge shout out to her and Mark, always helping me out when I need it, when it comes to all things construction, cabinetry, and engineering, electrical, the list goes on. They are incredible. Follow them on Instagram, Jisel and Mark. That's gonna do it, guys. Subscribe for more lifestyle and travel videos from me and Sam in the van, and we will see you guys in the next video. See ya.